I began attending the Cylch TAV Iwerddrig in June 2021 after a random playground chat with a local mum. We were new to the area and my son was quite a challenging baby who I couldn't settle very well. It didn't matter that I couldn't speak Welsh yet, and it didn't matter that my son wouldn't settle. This group was a moment of sanity with other parents in the thick of parenting, whatever their challenges were. We sang a Bws Mawr Goch louder than William could scream, and eventually he started to listen too. Now it's his and his older sister's favourite song, although it's getting progressively harder to throw them I fyny ac I lawr. There has always been a warm welcome, but Ellen goes the extra mile to speak to the parents attending the group, remembering what they talked about in the week before and taking a genuine interest in our lives. She makes a special effort to welcome new parents, and she also captures beautiful pictures of our beautiful people and regularly shares these, with permission of course, on the group Facebook page. This soft marketing is clearly working as we see numbers steadily growing each week, with a new cohort of mums and babies having recently joined the group. The group is mixed with fluent Welsh speakers and learners. All are welcome and supported, and the session is run primarily in Welsh and then repeated in English to help learners. The group is also becoming a bit more mixed, with several dads joining regularly. Activities each week are varied, fun and topical, with Ellen frequently orchestrating crafts in her own time, a feat in itself given that she's a mum of two with a professional career alongside it. For instance, we've created heart-themed artwork for Dydd Santes Dwynwen, coloured fierce dragons for Dydd Gwyl Dewi Sant, and Crefft Pasg included feathers, pipe cleaners and stickers to create some little chicks. Amser Tacluso is a group effort and the children love to help put the toys and crafts away before Amser Bwyd. I've yet to see my son do anything but cause chaos at home, and he's usually the first in line to put the toys back in the cupboard at TAV. He's definitely got a soft spot for Auntie Ellen. We always finish the session with Welsh nursery rhymes, which are also fun for me as I try to translate each one for my own learning before we sing Hwyl Fawr Ffrindiau. The group has also created a connection with the local church community within the hall that the group resides. A small team of ladies from the parish have created a rota to help out with teas and coffees, with Ellen's kind influence, no doubt. As I sign in and pilfer some biscuits for William, I've been making a point of talking to these ladies and practicing my slow-growing Welsh skills, and with their patience and encouragement, I'm able to speak a little bit more each week and not be ashamed of getting it wrong. To ensure the sustainability of the group, Ellen has also collated a small group of volunteers to help run TAV when she's unable to be there, for instance, myself included. Cylch TAV Iwerddrig is a safe, fun environment where children can play and learn. Parents, grandparents and carers can snatch a brief bit of a catch-up with friends over baned a bisgedi, and we all get a bit more involved with the Welsh culture, be it as a learner or a teacher. It's my favourite Friday thing to do, and I'm pretty sure William would agree. He'll miss it as much as me when he starts his next chapter at Cylch Meithrin in Glanrafon in September, continuing the Welsh journey that we never thought we'd be making when we moved to Mold. All with the thanks to Cylch TAV Iwerddrig and Ellen.